1:59 p.m. Some of the housemates are in the living area.
This is Big Brother. Would Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy come to the diary room?
What's all this?
That's funny.
Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy. Okay.
No, don't.
6 months in, I had all these ethical voices. I was going to go with things out.
We're going into the diary room. We've been summoned.
What do we have to do?
I wonder.
Hello, Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy.
Hello, Big Brother. At last you summoned me instead of this big fat idiot. You're always summoning him. You've never summoned me before. I'm the most important person in the house. Wound.
Freddy doesn't speak. He's a stuffed toy, but, you know, he says hi.
Jerry and John T. Big Brother wants to speak to Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy in private.
Okay, we can live in here.
Very, very sensible.
We can live in here.
Cover your ears.
Okay, so.
Would you like us to leave them in here?
If you could, John T. Yes.
Certainly. Oh, you're going to talk to Big Brother by yourself. Quite right. Ooh.
Oh, he's so cute.
Bye-bye, Big Brother. Bye-bye, Monkity, Tonkity. Goodbye. Bye-bye, Freddy. Goodbye, Jerry. Bye, John.
The door's now open, housemates.
Okay, bye. They want to speak to the monkeys in private.
They're going to steal them, you know.
Nah, they wouldn't.
I think they're going to sew them together.
So I wonder what Big Brother's going to do.
Yeah. I'm excited. Something with Monkity, Tonkity. I think it would be funny if Monkey Freddy saying,
No way. No way.
Hello, Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy.
Hello.
oh, it's all pink.
Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy, Big Brother has a very special task for you.
Oh my God.
If you would like to take part in this task, then just say nothing.
Too funny. Brother's gone mad.
Your task will involve you going on holiday until further notice.
It's like Hawaii.
Freddy.
You will deliver a series of postcards from your travels to the diary room, each from a different location.
What? No. Okay.
Using the clues given in each postcard, housemates must try to guess each location that you are visiting.
Very funny.
Each pair that correctly guesses where you are will win a very special souvenir from your travels. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yeah. If it is food, even better.
Yeah!
It's food.
Yeah, about us.
Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy, is there anything that you want to say to Jerry and John T before you go?
Is that all?
Funny, lost it.
Monkity, Tonkity and Freddy, you must now prepare to leave the Big Brother house.
Bon voyage! Bon voyage!
Bye-bye, Freddy.
Callo taxi!
Very funny.
Are we in an asylum?